What is this plant? Is it an annual or perennial? This is Francis. Guess what, Francis? We have two master gardeners and they're so good. And I know they know what this is, right? So who wants to tell us what that is? Mary, you want to?
I'll tell it what it is and you tell I'll take care.
How about, yeah, there you go.
Okay.
We can do that.
It's a beautyberry.
That's a beautyberry.
Calicarpa. Is that how you pronounce
That's
it?
how you pronounce
That's right.
it? Okay.
And I happened to see some growing on the median when I passed over by Costco the other day, and I was very tempted to get out and cut some.
Why
but I
didn't you?
didn't. The light turned green.
Oh, these master gardeners, I tell you. The light turned green.
You have to watch Master Gardeners.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do.
We all have
American
those
Beautyberry.
clippers in the car.
You got the clippers ready to get
Always
them.
have clippers
Oh
with
my
you.
gosh.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful plant. So,
It is.
So now we know what it is. American Beautyberry, right? Is it an annual or perennial?
It is a perennial that you can grow it and let it grow, or like Mr. Crowder tells us, cut it down to the ground in the winter, all the way down. And then in the spring, it will sprout and it will be just as big or bigger than it was when you cut it down.
Sometimes it has
done that.
white berries. Do you buy it for the purple or the white? You can buy
Yeah.
two different varieties.
There's basically three different
Three?
colors. Yeah, a really dark purple, a lighter purple, and then the white. Or those are the ones I've seen.
That's one I've seen too.
Yeah.
The
But if
droop
you-
of the fruit. Yeah.
Yeah,
It's
but if you
beautiful.
cut it down to the ground and then let it come back each year, it produces a really nice shrub.
Oh, okay.
And they're really pretty and they feed the birds really
Yeah,
well.
they're good for wildlife.
Yes.
Yeah.
They
yeah.
really are.
The birds, the butterfly, deer.
They,
yeah.
they make beautiful flower
Yeah.
arrangements.
Yeah, so I was
beautiful.
talking about the flower arrangements. Yeah.
That's
They
why I
really do.
wanted to
Impressive.
pick it.
That's
I
why you
wanted to
wanted to pick
cut it.
But you know, you can cut those and just stick them in some soil and they will
Really?
root.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Good
And you'll
stuff.
have
I'll go back today.
Here you go back.
you'll have some everywhere.
Yeah, maybe it'd be a red light this time.
That's
You can get
right.
it. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.